Today, we're exploring the B-2 Spirit, the most powerful bomber ever built. This aircraft can fly anywhere in the world, almost undetected. The B-2 is a marvel of technology and a symbol of human ingenuity. Unlike any bomber before it, the B-2 is designed for stealth and precision. Its unique flying wing shape and advanced materials make it nearly invisible to radar. The B-2's power isn't just in its weapons, but in its ability to reach any target on Earth and return safely. It can fly vast distances without refueling and carry a wide range of weapons. This combination of range, payload, and stealth is unmatched. The B-2 is a complete package, powerful, precise, and nearly undetectable. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind its design, technology, and missions. We'll see how it compares to other legendary bombers. We'll explore its role in changing the way wars are fought. The B-2 Spirit is more than a plane. It's a legend in the sky. It represents the peak of aviation engineering. Its story is one of pushing the limits of science and imagination. Join me as we dive into the world of the B-2 Spirit. Discover how it became the ultimate symbol of air power. See why it's considered the most powerful bomber ever built. The B-2 Spirit is a testament to what's possible when innovation takes flight. Let's begin our journey into the world of this incredible flying machine. To understand the B-2, let's look at how bombers evolved. The first bombers in World War I were simple. Pilots dropped bombs by hand from slow, fragile planes. By World War II, bombers like the B-17 Flying Fortress and Avro Lancaster could fly in large formations, dropping thousands of bombs. These planes were heavily armed but still vulnerable to enemy defenses. After World War II, the Cold War pushed bomber technology further. Jet engines allowed bombers like the B-52 Stratofortress to fly faster, higher, and farther, carrying nuclear weapons across continents. The B-52 became a symbol of deterrence and American power. Each new generation of bombers aimed to fly farther, carry more, and survive better. Engineers faced new challenges, avoiding radar, increasing payload, and improving accuracy. These innovations set the stage for the ultimate leap in bomber design. The result was a new kind of aircraft, one that could evade detection and strike anywhere. This long history of evolution led directly to the creation of the B-2 Spirit. The B-2 would change everything about how bombers operate. It was the answer to decades of technological challenges. The B-2 Spirit was born out of secrecy during the Cold War. The US needed a bomber that could penetrate the most advanced enemy defenses. The answer was the Advanced Technology Bomber Program, led by Northrop. Engineers worked in total secrecy, developing radical new ideas. Their goal, a bomber invisible to radar. In 1988, the world saw the B-2 for the first time, a sleek, boomerang-shaped flying wing. Its design was unlike anything before. No tail, no fuselage, just a smooth, dark wing. This shape was key to its stealth. The B-2's first flight in 1989 marked a new era in aviation. Advanced computers made the unstable flying wing controllable. The B-2's systems make thousands of adjustments every second to keep it stable. Years of secret development paid off with an aircraft that seemed like science fiction. The B-2 Spirit was ready to take on the world's toughest missions. Its arrival signaled a revolution in strategic bombing. The B-2 was not just a new plane, it was a new way to wage war. Its stealth and range set it apart from every bomber before it. The B-2 Spirit became the world's most advanced strategic bomber. Its legacy began the moment it took flight. The B-2's greatest weapon is its stealth. Stealth doesn't mean invisible, it means nearly impossible to detect. Radar is the main way enemies find planes, but the B-2 defeats radar in several ways. Its unique shape deflects radar waves away from the source. The B-2's skin is made from secret composite materials that absorb radar energy. Instead of bouncing back, radar waves are trapped and turned into heat. The engines are buried deep inside the wing, hiding their heat signature. Exhaust is cooled and vented above the wing, making it hard for heat-seeking missiles to track. Special paint helps the B-2 blend into the night sky. Even its engines are designed to be quieter than older jets. All these features work together to make the B-2 a ghost in the sky. It can slip past the most advanced defenses undetected. The B-2's stealth is what makes it so powerful and unique. It can strike where others can't, and leave before anyone knows it was there. Stealth is the B-2's true superpower. It's the reason this bomber changed the rules of air warfare. The B-2's magic is in its ability to disappear. The B-2's flying wing shape is its most striking feature. There's no tail, no separate body, everything is inside the wing. This design was once just a dream, but modern computers made it possible. The smooth, curved surfaces deflect radar, making the B-2 nearly invisible. The angled leading edges further reduce radar reflection. The flying wing is also highly efficient, giving the B-2 incredible range. It can fly over 6,000 nautical miles without refueling. With aerial refueling, its range is limited only by the crew's endurance. Flying without a tail is tricky, but the B-2's fly-by-wire system keeps it stable. The pilot's controls are linked to computers that make constant adjustments. This allows the B-2 to fly smoothly and safely. The flying wing design is the secret to the B-2's stealth and range. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Let's see how the B-2 stacks up against history's greatest bombers. The B-17 Flying Fortress relied on numbers and guns, but was slow and easy to spot. The B-52 Stratofortress can carry huge payloads, but it's big and visible on radar. In modern wars, the B-52 needs lots of support to survive. The Russian Tu-160 is fast and powerful, but not stealthy. Radar can still find it. The B-2 is different. It flies alone, relying on stealth, not speed or guns. It can penetrate the most heavily defended airspace without being seen. No other bomber combines stealth, range, and payload like the B-2. Some bombers are fast, some carry more bombs, but none are as invisible. The B-2 can go where others can't and strike with precision. It's the only bomber that can operate deep inside enemy territory undetected. This unique combination makes it the most powerful bomber ever built. The B-2 is truly in a class of its own. It changed what a bomber could be. That's why it stands above the rest. The B-2 Spirit proved its worth in combat during the Kosovo War in 1999. B-2S flew from Missouri to Serbia over 30 hours non-stop, striking key targets. Though they flew less than 1% of missions, they destroyed over a third of critical targets. Not a single B-2 was lost or damaged. The B-2's stealth allowed it to strike where others couldn't. In Afghanistan, B-2S flew record-breaking 44-hour missions, hitting targets with precision. The B-2 uses smart bombs to hit multiple targets in a single pass. Its accuracy reduces collateral damage and civilian risk. The B-2's combination of stealth, range, and precision is unmatched. It's a flexible tool for military commanders worldwide. The B-2 redefined what a bomber could do in modern warfare. The B-2 Spirit changed how air power is used. Before the B-2, bombing missions required huge strike packages, bombers, fighters, jammers, and tankers. The B-2 can do the job alone, thanks to its stealth. This makes operations simpler, safer, and more effective. The B-2's technology, composite materials, fly-by-wire controls, and stealth coatings pushed aviation forward. These advances are now used in other top aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. The B-2 also changed military strategy, acting as a powerful deterrent. Its presence forces enemies to rethink their defenses. The B-2 is more than hardware. It's a symbol of technological superiority. Its innovations have shaped the future of aviation and warfare. The B-2's impact will be felt for generations. The B-2 Spirit's legacy is revolutionary innovation. It proved a stealthy flying wing bomber could dominate the skies. Only 21 B-2S were built, making each one a national treasure. But technology moves on. The B-2's design is now over 40 years old. New radars and sensors are emerging, and maintaining the B-2 fleet is costly. The US is developing the B-21 Raider, the next-generation stealth bomber. The B-21 builds on the B-2's lessons with even greater stealth and efficiency. At least 100 B-21S are planned to replace the B-2 and B-1 bombers. The B-2 will keep flying for years, but its era is ending. Its legacy will live on in the B-21 and beyond. The B-2 Spirit perfected stealth on a grand scale. It changed air combat forever. Its spirit of innovation will inspire the future of flight.